Tiania, me come Muntaka ho. Only Kelvin tell us saying, "We are singing our penny poor confrontation moi. Say we be what Jimmy and I don't know for money in answer Muntaka. Muntaka ya confrontation moi bia. Krono wa bon wa Ghana na nyasem ketwa. Na wasaye no ho say omobian contest no wasawase. Kelvin and Kelvin tell us say, "Otonyame, hey, one shot ba kube 2024. So when I do something will be on contest na. Wo Abrante Muntaka. Any Kwame Tanko, what if I Kwame Tanko?
Kwame Tanko say, oh yeah,
so more Angela
your name
on me who say that.
Oh, so
that
Tanko morning show who?
Me. Apart from me station, me station bia.
And no.
I think. So bia catch them say, e bia station way tie. What I say? And I say bia me tie me trotro and taxi no bia. Yes. What I say?
Yeah, Tanko your morning show Angela.
Oh yeah, morning show.
That's right.
Kevin Taylor didn't attempt say we are now penny power Jimmy when him nyansa ya Kwame Tanko. But no ya mon wa ha. Oh yeah, inu nsem troni. Oh yeah, nsem troni.
And they are no this. That's not
because what I say we are say so be say Muntaka say na one Kevin Taylor mo problem ana. O say senya Dr. Koko Tiankade obey your mono. Say we opa abo ma abo bi a wa Jimmy woni mu nyansa obi a abo bi ti say Kwame Tanko did the atam na no. Yen twani fro ne yen fa nko me pacho yen fa nko Muntaka de no so. Muntaka e kwotena Kwame Tanko show no so. E ka say onima de odi ay Kevin Taylor so bi na etu anaka na odi sanse mo no. What I say na Kevin Taylor parliament ne ekoso no on tiase enti obi na no kasa bahad ade a Kevin Taylor no mu entie Kevin Ekobe
right. Every single thing the NPP through Chairman Sabosu have put before the speaker has gone through. He is the chief whip. He is supposed to whip his people in line to make sure this never happens. He is supposed to be able to enter the NPP and get somebody there to come and support the NPP, the NDC. No. We were here when his own people voted for Hawa Kumsin. Kojo Ponkroma voted for people we never wanted to be minister in Ghana. He is the minority chief whip. He was there. His own people joined the MPP to vote for people Ghanaians did not want to be MPs.
One of the biggest things the supporters will be in him. MPP is very tricky. MPP. Me, I know them. Say, I know one to come I know them inside out. Would dear grow, not this particular path of using to remove a member of parliament works. They will turn their guns on us. They will turn their guns on we the NDC. That time we be team and say, maybe I say Kitino, Muntaka, I don't know because I did. But because game is a game of numbers, we need to be more careful because almost all the state institutions are virtually working for the MPP. We can't be say, I don't know a political case bar. Na MPP, etina right, na etina left. Opa or Supreme Court several times you lose. To the same, me say NDC Ghana is an African country and it's in West Africa. And NBC Ghana and West Africa and West Africa and African country. It's the Atlantic Ocean more. Supreme Court you do lose. But that's Atlantic Ocean more.
So as a Ghanaian watching me now, these are some of his reasons why Ono Philly said Adwa Safo, Henry Cote Kennedy, they should pass through. He went on to say, oh, they will go there and they will say that Kennedy's own is fine. Kennedy should work. Henry's own is fine. Henry should work. But Adwa Safo there, they will take him out of government. Until he is saying, now, no, when they support such actions, the BBD and DC, there are laws governing this country. If 15 NDC MPs go against the law, Parliament is a place laws are made. So 15 NDC MPs go to Parliament and they fail to comply with the law, with the Constitution. The Constitution says they should be kicked out. Now see this. I'm in Chama DB. This is the oath of ministers of state. Obey minister, there's an oath you take, right? As the oath says, I, having been appointed Minister of State, Deputy Minister of the Republic of Ghana, do in the name of the Almighty God swear, solemnly affirm that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Ghana in the office of Minister of State. Now, that I will uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana as by law established. So when you read the oath, all that they are saying and say, you will protect the law, meaning you protect the Constitution. So for a chief whip who is in parliament, who knows the law and understands the Constitution, he believes that if we allow Adwoa Safo to step away, the MPP will turn their guns at them, but clearly ignoring the Constitution. It means to say there is a reason why such a person is doing this. Muntaka does not know anything. Muntaka is a liar. He has capitalized on our people, their ignorance, to the point whereby he feels he knows so much and that nobody in Ghana can challenge his ignorance and idiocy. We are not here looking at standing orders in parliament because the Constitution is superior than standing orders. We are not here challenging whatever anyone says in parliament. We are here waiting for parliament to comply with the Constitution. So what will make an MP who wants his party to come to power stand in parliament and say, I don't agree to this, all because the people we are doing this to, tomorrow they will do this to us. Have you done anything wrong? Are you at the mercy of the MPP? Have you taken...
I know, see, we are seeing now Penipa, what Chimia, when you answer, Muntaka, when they Kwame Tanko, what Angel FM, because who drew Babino, Muntaka, Oka say, Kelvin tell him so be a car and would this anquas as what I say, no, say one summer, what kind of one of the babo, say, NPP for Kobopo, and say, and compare so we are Adwoa Safo free, and you know, Mokasi, and fact, Kennedy, a compre Japan, Henry Cote, and Adwoa Safo Privileges Committee, because our mama say Parliament 15 consecutive times, and you drew a Ubons and Nana Kufado no Mabo Pontino, and now Privileges Committee, NPP for the Dawson, and I know your head, Nana's way chairman, Joe Weiss, on MPP, what I say, Anna, Nippon. Crown or Kauma NDC force no as in of MP say in every so and in your say a extension of MPP office and to do unmadi obey oh Canada compre ko Japan be catch say or ko any three surgery me patch record so ha ya clear no ko na ya kan record no so yare ampa ne record so ha
social media phobia omon fere ade any journalist phobia omumbu omo ho a omonte amembu ase I started sorry, so almost beka amembu sem. My question to the friend and anaba namwa, Madam Tuno girl, or no nimbi bia, Madam Dubai connection woman, Tia mame. Politics is not about putting on makeup, wearing fancy clothes, and speaking unnecessary slangs on TV. Let me tell you that. Let me take that again. Somebody tell Nana